The height of my legs, usually around 60 feet, is taller than most humans. Who I am I? I am a giraffe. I am an animal you might love, but I am too big to be your pet. I have an extremely long trunk, and it's said I never forget. Who I am I? I am an elephant. I hide my treasure in the ground. My tail is big and fluffy. If you spot me in a tree, please don't call me Scruffy. Who I am I? I am a squirrel. I have two long ears and I don't walk. I hope who I am I? I am a rabbit. I have a mane, but I am not a lion. And I wear my shoes to bed. Who I am I? I am horse.